Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa alihi wa sahbihi wa barik wa sallim ajma'in. Dear viewers, we are discussing 40 rules of love. Today we discuss rule number 21 to 25 written by Molana Rumi. He rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi said in his rule number 21 that when a true lover of God goes into a tower, the tower becomes his chamber of prayer. But when a wine bibber goes into the same chamber, it becomes his tower. In everything we do, it's our hearts that makes the difference, not our outer appearance. Sufi do not judge other people on how they look or who they are. When a Sufi stares at someone, he keeps both eyes closed, instead opens a third eye, the eye that sees the inner realm. Life is a temporary loan, and this world is nothing but a sketchy imitation of reality. Only children would mistake a toy for the real things. And yet human beings either become infatuated with the toy or disrespectfully break it and throw it aside. In this life, stay away from all kinds of extremities, for they all destroy your inner balance. Sufis do not go for extremes. A Sufi always remains mild and moderate. The human being has a unique place among God's creation. I breathed into him of my spirit. God says each and every one of us without exceptions is designed to be God's delegate on earth. Ask yourself, just how often do you behave like a delegate? If you ever do so, remember it falls upon each of us to discover the divine secret inside and live by it. Hell is in the here and now, so is heaven. Quite worrying about hell or dreaming about heaven, as they are both present inside this very moment. Every time we fall in love, we ascend to heaven. Every time we hate, envy or fight someone, we tumble straight into the fire of hell. Each and every reader comprehends the Holy Quran on a different level of tandem, with the depth of his understanding. There are 4 levels of insight. The first level is the outer meaning, and it is the one that the majority of the people are content with. Next is the batin, the inner level. Third, there is the inner of the inner. And the fourth level is so deep it cannot be put into words and is therefore bound to remain indescribable.